Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan here. Today we have my granddaughter Hailey back in the house, and we're gonna make a pizza, cast iron style. So Hailey and I have been working feverishly getting all the ingredients together. So without further ado, let's put this pie together and get it in the oven because we hungry. Ain't that right?
Yeah, very hungry.
Very hungry. All right. Okay, so tell them what we got here, Hailey.
All right, so here we have our pizza dough, our bell peppers, turkey pepperoni, banana peppers, onions, sun-dried tomatoes, marinara sauce, and whole milk mozzarella.
Okay, so now we're going to get to it.
Okay, so we have our oven preheating at 500, and Grandpa's over here messing with the dough.
I'm messing with the dough. Have a lot of fun. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm trying to get the edge of the dough up along the side of the pan to give us a little bit of a crust. And hopefully this thing cooks pretty nice in the oven. I've made pizzas before, but this is something special for me and Hailey. It's our Easter get-together pizza. Our first annual get-together pizza. Okay, so now we're going to get some sauce here. Let me, now you don't want to get the dough too thick in spots, so just when you get right about what you think, just go ahead and pat it down, try to get it as level as possible. I'd say this is maybe 1/4 of an inch thick, maybe a little thicker. You can use a rolling pin. Hailey and I rolled it out ourselves on the silicone mat. We had everything rolled out. So now we're going to get some sauce. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to add some sauce to the mix. And I'm going to get a ladle of sauce here. And you don't want to make it too wet. So just until we get this started, and we're going to go in a circular motion, spreading our sauce out. This is, as you can see, it's a chunky sauce. What I mean by chunky is the crushed tomatoes. I made my own seasoning. Plus we have more seasoning that we're going to be putting on here that we didn't mention yet. It's a secret. We have a secret ingredient for our pizza. Put a little bit more in there. I don't want to make it too wet, like I said, so I'm trying to get it to have a little space between that and the edge of the crust. You guys would love, there's a Detroit pizza out there, square one, rectangle, whatever. I'm going to make that one day. That one there, they load that thing up with cheese.
I've had that one before. It's really good.
Yeah, is it good? Yeah. See, hell, she beat me. She already had one. But you didn't have one Grandpa made now, did you? Mm-mm. So anyway, yeah. We have a secret ingredients that we're going to share with you guys in a little bit. I think that about covers that with the juice, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay, so now we're going to have Hailey's going to cover this up with some cheese.
Yay, cheese.
Yeah, she likes the cheese.
I love cheese.
Put this over there. Okay, so you guys can see how much we covered on there, right? Well, now Hailey's going to go and put some cheese on here.
I'm going to take the thing open first.
Can you open it up? Okay. Now this is whole milk mozzarella cheese we're putting on here. This is Sargento's, I believe.
It's going to melt great.
It should melt really nice. Get some around over here now. Don't put it all in the middle. You think you're going to get the middle of the pizza. I know what's going on here.
Nonsense.
How you coming out there? Have fun. Holding up the wheels of progress. Huh? Put a little more on there. Okay. I don't want to go too crazy with that. I won't be able to pick it up. It'll be weighing a ton. I have to get some spinach on there. We should put spinach on there. You like spinach?
I love spinach on pizza.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
I just don't like it like when it's like on its own, I like it in pizza.
We can put some, I got some fresh spinach in there, man.
Spinach.
Okay, so now we got the cheese on there. Hailey can start spreading out whatever she likes next. Just real thin long. If you still have some, don't worry about it. Just real light. Don't put it heavy. You get some spinach. My little girl likes some spinach on there, huh?
I had a veggie pizza one time when I was with my aunt. It had like feta, tomato, spinach, broccoli, all that good stuff.
Yeah, one time I got a video. We made a chicken fajita pizza, I think it was. All right.
Should I do more onions or is that?
We can throw a couple more on. I don't know. Go ahead, you keep going. You're doing fine.
That's gonna be a colorful pizza.
That's right. We like color. Color's good. Contrast is good.
It's gonna be green.
People eat with their eyes. Never forget that. That's the first thing. Ooh, that looks good.
Well, yeah, your eyes can be bigger than your stomach.
That's right. That's a lot of people's like that. I'm gonna have another one. I can't finish it. Now this pizza should take us maybe 10 or 15 minutes once we get it in there.
It's all pushed together.
Well, yeah, you can set that down and grab them with your other hand too. Separate them. Help you out so we can get going on this here pizza. You can put a fair amount of pepperoni on there too. Matter of fact, use all the pepperoni that's in that container. Grandma loves pepperoni. This is my grandma's day to splurge. One piece for her, the rest for you and me. What do you think about that, huh?
I mean, we made it.
Man, this is looking good, Hale. You're making a nice pizza. That's gonna, once we get that oven heated up, the speed you're going at, we could probably heat up the oven, huh? I put this over there.
There's a lot of pepperoni.
Well, I only cut up a couple little stacks, and they're little pieces. I mean, if you think you got too much, get that spot right there. See that empty spot right there? It's up to you. If you think you got enough, you don't have to use it all. This is your pizza.
Right. I think that's enough.
Okay, you think that's enough? Let's put that over here. Take your
banana peppers.
Banana peppers. That was her request, people. I like them though. They're good peppers. Luckily, we have some in the fridge.
Banana peppers are amazing. I'm just gonna get it over here.
Yep, there we go. We're doing good.
I love me in everything pizza except for olives and anchovies.
There you go. You're doing good. This is a great job. Look at this. This is great.
This is like all the banana peppers.
Yeah, I knew you were going to use all of those because that's your favorite. I knew that was coming.
Okay, I like banana peppers.
That's all right. You did good. Now, take those. Now, those are going to have, the sun-dried tomatoes were packed in olive oil, so that's good. The oven's done. Yeah, just like you just did, a little blop here and there. Just don't go crazy with it, though.
They keep falling apart. They
do fall. Man, we diced them up. You can actually just, yep.
Oh, these do smell really good though, so. Man, now my hands feel really oily. Alright, a little bit more.
Just use all of those. There's only a few left in there. Just use them all. Use them up.
Okay,
that's good. That's good. Just put that down. But just put it down. Okay, now we're gonna give this a little sprinkle of grated Parmesan. Just a little sprinkle here and there. Does it good. Gives it a nice flavor. And for our secret ingredient,
Pizza seasoning.
pizza seasoning. Sprinkle some of that on, but be careful because it comes out fast. So yeah, come on, put some on there. Oh, yeah, keep going, go a little further over there. Yeah, make sure you cover the whole thing. There's some over there. No, I'm only kidding. All right, we got that good. All right, put that down. And that seasoning it makes it taste just like a real deal pizzeria place.
It smells really good.
All right, now we're gonna pop it in the oven. Oh, we almost forgot. Miss Hailey remembered our little spinach. We're just gonna put a couple leaves on there. That's not gonna go crazy with it.
Just to make it look pretty.
Make it look pretty, like she said. Okay, so now we're getting ready. We're going to pop it in the oven for sure. Okay, the oven's preheated at 500. We're going to take our pizza and slide it in on the shelf. And this is going to go, we're going to start it at about 10 minutes. We'll take a peek and see where we're at.
Cheese is melted in here.
Oh yeah, we want, like she said, we want to make sure everything's golden brown and the cheese is melted. Putting the timer on. 10 minutes. We'll see you guys in about 10 mics. Okay, as you guys can hear, the beepers going off. We actually checked it at 10 minutes. This is a total of 15, so we're going to take a look at it. I tell you, it smells, Hailey says it smells like a Chuck E. Cheese in here. Only better. Oh yeah. Oh.
That looks amazing.
That is H-O-T-T. Don't touch that thing, it's hot.
Oh, wow. It looks amazing.
Okay, so you guys want to see what it looks like, huh? Here's Miss Hailey's creation. So, and it's looking really good. So now we're going to let this cool down a bit before we slice into it. Okay, guys, look at that crust. Hailey did such a hell of a job. That's better than a pizza place. Woohoo! Okay, we're going to cut into this here pizza. Miss Hailey did a wonderful job. Well, now we don't want to mess it up. Listen to that crisp. Can you guys hear that?
It's like the perfect crisp.
Perfect crisp, according to Hailey. It's a good thing she likes pizza.
I love pizza.
She loves pizza. And tomorrow we're going to make another pizza, but we're not going to use cast iron.
We're not?
No, we're going to use a pizza pan.
Hold on, wait. You have a pizza pan and you didn't tell me?
There you go. Wow. Look at that, huh?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so what we're going to do, Hailey's going to go to the table there. We will deliver a piece of pizza to the queen. That'd be you.
Alrighty. Alrighty. So this is what the pizza turned out to look like. That was a good crunch, and I can taste like everything in the pizza. Turned out really good.
Okay, guys, so you hear it all. So don't forget, when you're out and about, cover up, protect yourself as well as others. Wash your hands, wash your hands. When you're out and about, use a sanitizing spray or gel. When you go someplace else, do it again. When you get home, wash your hands in the sink. Don't talk with your mouth full unless it's another delicious pizza made by Miss Hailey. And give us a like, thumbs up, share with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't yet. When you do, little notification bell will pop up. You hit that bell, and that'll notify you each time we have another video. And there's a little arrow down right below the video. You hit that little arrow, and you'll get a drop-down box. That'll have the complete recipe, the ingredients, and how to do it. You'll also get a link to my Cooking with Mr. Dan's Facebook page. Also a link to my daughter's artwork page. So, Hailey, one more time. Tell them how good it is.
Very good.
Okay. So until next time, my friends, stay hungry. When you are, come back and Miss Hailey will make you a pizza. We're out.